Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Dart in VSCode. So firstly, open PowerShell as an administrator and run the choco install Dart SDK command. Or you can download the Dart SDK zip archive from your OS architecture. Now, press Windows plus R, then type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Go to the Advanced tab and click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find the path variable, select it and click Edit. Click New and pass the path to your Dart SDK/bin folder. Click on OK, then restart your terminal or VS Code to apply these changes. Now open the VS Code and install the Dart extension from the extension marketplace. Open a new terminal and then run the command Dart version. If you see the version number, you are ready to code. And that's how you do it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out. Let me know in the comments below what should I do next, and I will see you on the next one.